Do you know many people are having trouble with reattaching a broken piece on their Cricut Maker 3? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open and remove. Open clamp B and safely remove the tool that was being used to cut acrylic. Step 2. Inspect broken piece. Inspect the broken piece to figure out where it came from and check if it's repairable. Step 3. Align and position. If it's repairable, align it back to its original position using any reference points. Step 4. Reattach securely. Securely reattach the piece, ensuring it fits correctly without any gaps. Step 5. Close clamp B. Close clamp B once the piece is reattached properly to prevent further damage. Step 6. Test with cut. Test the Cricut Maker 3 with a small cut to ensure everything is functioning correctly. By following these steps, your Cricut Maker 3 should be back to working perfectly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Cricut users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.